Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Before you update Windows drivers, create a system restore point first. This lets you revert changes if an update causes problems. Next, export current driver copies from Device Manager into a backup folder. Use the built-in driver export tools or third-party utilities carefully. Ensure you have at least 30 minutes available and a stable power source for laptops. Close important apps and save work before starting any driver updates today. Start by checking Windows Update for recommended driver packages from Microsoft. If Windows Update does not supply a driver, open Device Manager and find the device you need. Right-click the device and choose Update Driver, then select Search automatically for drivers. If the automatic search fails, choose Browse My Computer for drivers and point to the backup or manufacturer folder. After installing, reboot when prompted to finalize driver integration and check device functionality. For the latest drivers, download from the device manufacturer using the exact model and Windows version. Prefer WHQL-signed drivers when available to ensure compatibility and stability. If a downloaded driver package provides a custom installer, uninstall the old driver first and then perform a clean install. Keep driver installers and version notes organized in a folder for future reference. If a new driver causes problems, roll back the driver or use your system restore point.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.